Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send XDC from KuCoin to Arculus Wallet in 2025. If you're holding XDC on KuCoin and want to secure it in your Arculus Wallet for better control, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you have both a KuCoin account with XDC in it and your Arculus wallet set up and ready. You'll need your Arculus wallet address handy. That's the key to this transfer. Okay. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Head over to the website or app, enter your credentials, and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. It's 2025, folks, safety first. Once you're in, navigate to your asset overview or wallet section. Find your XDC holdings. Click on Withdraw or Transfer Out next to XDC. This will open a form where you'll enter the withdrawal details. Now, for step 2. Paste your Arculus wallet address into the Address field. Double-check this. One wrong character, and your XDC could be lost forever. Also, select the network. For XDC, it's usually the XDC network, so confirm that matches. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary. Review the transaction details carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Approve it through your KuCoin security settings. Step 3. Wait for the transaction to process. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always use official apps and websites to prevent scams. If you're new to this, test with a small amount first. And there you have it. Your XDC should now be safely in your Arculus wallet. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you next time.